Roomba cleans based on the cleaning mode you select. Roomba has 3 cleaning modes. In clean mode, Roomba automatically calculates the room size and adjusts its cleaning time appropriately. In spot mode, Roomba spirals approximately 3 feet in diameter and then spirals back to where it started, intensely cleaning a localized area. Press the spot button to start this mode. In scheduled cleaning mode, Roomba leaves its home base at the specified time, cleans, and then returns to the home base to recharge when it's done.